Love Spouse app user manual. Okay, so the Love Spouse system consists of a mobile app, iOS and Android, plus a physical device. Now, this is to be paired via Bluetooth. The app allows you to control and interact with the device in several modes. So this is classic, music, video, draw, shake, and interactive. Remote control with another user. So now what we want to do is install and set up. So download the app from either your App Store or your Google Play Store and search for Love Spouse. So this is it here. So time recording, it's got over 1 million downloads and 2,000 reviews. Once we've done that, we need to go ahead and open it up for the first time. Now from here, we're going to be taken to the login page. So if you've got an account, put your account details in here. If you don't, like me, go ahead and click on sign up. So we can sign up. Please put in your email password, but I'm going to see if we can log in with Google. So I'm going to go ahead and click on login with Google. All right, beautiful. It's allowed me to log in with my Google account. Now, gender settings cannot be changed later, so choose carefully. Now, fill in the information below. So put in your name. You can take a photo. So you can click onto that. Take a photo or select from the album and birth year, and then click on the next step. Now, using anonymous mode will hide your avatar and nickname from other users. So if you want to enable it, you can, or disable it. So I'm going to go ahead and enable it. Now you might get a little present that's going to appear like so. So we can go ahead and use now. So we get privilege to send and receive messages. So we can use now a blind device. I'm just going to skip out of this. Now from here, tap plus to scan the device code showed on the instruction manual or the product package. So click the plus icon and now go ahead while using the app and scan your device to scan that code. So now once we've done that, you want to go ahead and turn on the device. So long press the power button for at least 2 seconds. In the app, tap the device icon to connect. If Bluetooth is off on your phone, the app will request permission to enable it. Once connected, you can enter the device control interface.